Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content, and in today's video I'm going to walk you guys around our brand new website. So just hang out, vibe out to this really cool music, and I'm going to show you guys all of our new products, all of the existing products that we have. What you're looking at right now is some of our 99-cent images. If you don't know, yes, we offer plenty of images. We offer free images as well. You can check out that on the website at flashcustomtransfers.com. But right now I'm kind of going through each individual 99-cent image. You definitely want to check it out because we have the Lakers and the Warriors, two of my favorite teams, and I just added some brand new Steph Curry images. You're going to see those here in a minute. But look at these really cool graphics that I offered up on the website, and I'm always adding every single day so that you guys can benefit from these images. You can sell them, buy them from us, sell them for a profit, create your own Etsy with our images. Check out the free images as well. Right here, we're gonna go into the other section where we have the bundles. So we have 150 bundle, 100 bundle 79, so many images. On this page right here, we have the apparel. This is just a very small amount of the custom apparel that we've created that we can actually create for your business in our warehouse. So please contact us. If you have any orders, you need to fill any big orders, contact us right here. Put your design. We have a 25 shirt minimum, but we can do anything: pants, shirts, hoodies. Just leave a quote right there. Leave your information and we'll send you back a quote. We're gonna come back here to the website. Just going to kind of go over all the new sections with our exclusive products. We got some new merch here on the website, some Straight Outta Content merch. So if you want to support Straight Outta Content, you can purchase a shirt here. It's YWA, that stands for YouTuber with Attitude, inspired by NWA, YWA. We got the content shirt here with that old English font, very simple. Please cop some merch, support the channel. We got that classic Straight Outta Content logo. Left chest hit, nothing too crazy. Subtle, but stylish. We also got the local bear. A lot of people love those content bears. Please check out the entire website, get you some merch, get you some custom merch made, get you some transfers, or even if you just need a little 99-cent download. And we got the bear collection gang sheet. Go ahead, check us out at flashcustomtransfers.com.